Understanding the difference between a credit score and a credit report is like having a secret weapon in your financial arsenal. Here's why it's absolutely essential when it comes to building credit. Think of your credit report as your financial report card. It contains detailed information about your credit history, including your payment history, credit accounts, balances, and any negative items like late payments or collections. It's essentially a snapshot of your financial behavior. Now, your credit score, that's like the GPA of your financial life. It's a three-digit number calculated based on the information in your credit report, and it gives lenders a quick snapshot of your credit worthiness. The higher your score, the better your chances of qualifying for loans, credit cards, and favorable interest rates. So, why is it crucial to understand the difference? Because while your credit report provides the raw data, your credit score is the number that lenders use to evaluate your creditworthiness. By understanding both, you can take proactive steps to improve your credit and achieve your financial goals. Ready to take control of your credit journey? Partner with us today and let us help you navigate the complexities of credit. Reach out now to learn more and take the first step towards a brighter financial future.